What if I told you that you could create stunning LinkedIn carousels in minutes without opening Canva and without hiring a designer? Carousels are one of the most effective formats to educate your audience, build authority, and grow fast on LinkedIn. This AI automation creates stunning carousels and posts it on LinkedIn automatically. Today, I'm going to show you how to automate using Gamma.3 and Make.com. Here is the scenario in Make that created the post you saw earlier. This workflow has three main parts. The first is the Google Sheets part. The second is the main part, the brain of the workflow, which is Gamma. And the final part is the posting section, where the automation uploads the content to social media. In my case, I chose LinkedIn. The first module is the Google Sheets Watch New Rows module. This watches for any new row updated in your Google Sheet. As you can see in my Google Drive, I added the topic, Why AI Automation Kill Primitive Coaching Centers. The module detects this new row, fetches the data from that row, and sends it to Gamma as input. Whatever topic you need, you can add it to the sheet and the workflow will use that topic to generate the carousel. So my topic is added there, and you can see it mapped inside the Gamma module. In the input section, I added a prompt that says, act like a LinkedIn content creator working for a company. Create a presentation with a hook, CTA, and 3 cards. The card count means the number of slides the carousel should have. You can see the generated output also has 3 slides, 1, 2, and 3 matching the card count set in the prompt. The text mode is set to generate mode, which rewrites and expands the prompt I gave. The format is set to social because I need a social media style post and not a personalized document. The theme is one of the themes provided by Gamma. You can browse the Gamma website to see all available themes. I chose a theme I liked and set it here. The number of cards is set to 3 and the card split is set to auto. Only when it is set to auto can we get the preferred number of cards. In the additional instructions, I added that all content should be readable in terms of font size so that the presentation looks clean and visible. For export, I selected PDF, though you can also choose PowerPoint. The text amount is set to medium, which controls the amount of text that appears inside the carousel. You can change this based on your needs. I kept the tone and audience empty, selected English as the language, and allowed Gamma to generate images automatically. The dimensions are set to 4:5, since that ratio is ideal for LinkedIn posts. Next is the Gamma Get Generation module. The first Gamma module generates the presentation, and this second module fetches the generated file. It uses the generation ID from the previous module. Gamma then provides a URL and an export URL for the generated presentation. Since the result is in URL form, we use an HTTP GetAFile module to convert it into downloadable data. We map the export URL here, which gives us the data in binary form. To post on LinkedIn, we upload this file into Google Drive using the Google Drive Upload a File module. The file stored in Google Drive is then downloaded again using the Download a File module. We then move to the final step, posting it on LinkedIn. To post a document on LinkedIn, we first need to upload the document itself. So we use the LinkedIn Upload Document module. The document selected here is the one downloaded from Google Drive. After the document is uploaded, we use the LinkedIn Create Document Post module. The topic from Google Sheets becomes the post content, and the document name is also set to the topic so that it's easy to identify. The document ID is taken from the previous module and visibility is set to public. That's it. This is the entire scenario. As you can see, this workflow generated a stunning carousel through Gamma and automatically posted it to LinkedIn. Here is the final LinkedIn post. It has 3 slides, and you can add more slides if you want, depending on your content. With this automation, you can create as many carousels as you want. Subscribe for more AI automations.